Good morning, kindergarten. This is Miss Preston. This is our math video for May 6th. Today we will be counting objects to 20. Review a reminder about what our module is about. It's numbers 10 through 20 and counting to 100. Today you will complete lesson 2 problem set, and then you'll upload that to your portfolio page. So before we begin, we're going to continue with our practice of writing numbers 10 through 20, being focused on just those numbers 10 through 20 right now. So in your composition book, please open up to your writing numbers page from yesterday. We said that we were going to start on a brand new page. So find that brand new page, and then you can write your date for today, 5-6-20. Okay, we're going to go ahead and say the numbers 0 through 20 before you begin writing numbers 10 through 20. So let's start all the way at the beginning. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right now, we're going to go on from 20 and we're going to count up to 30. Ready? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If you think you can go on higher, pause this video and see how high you can go, with our goal being 100. All right, great job, guys. We're going to continue that just so that we are able to count all the way to 100 by the end of this module. All right, guys, we are going to do a quick practice of counting the dots that you see on the screen and adding one more. So what I would like you to do is, if you know how many dots are in this first line right here, please shout out how many dots are right here. 3, great job. And how many is one more than 3? Did you say 4? Great, 1 more than 3 is 4. What is 1 less than 3? 1 less than 3 is 2. Great job. 1 less than 3 is 2. All right, I'm going to move this on up here. Please tell me how many dots are right here. Good, I have 5 dots right here. What is 1 more than 5? Great job, guys. 1 more than 5 is 6. If you added 1 more, you would get 6. What is 1 less than 5? 4. Great job. If you were to take 1 away, you would have 4. Great job. Okay, guys, we're going to go on to our application problem before we begin our lesson. Okay, so I'm going to read for you what this says up here, and then we're going to do a little work in our composition book. This says, Lisa counted some flowers in a pile of 10. She counted 5 other flowers in another pile. Draw a picture to show her piles of flowers. So we will do this together in your composition book. So please find a brand new page in your composition book, and you're just going to draw a picture after we go through this together. Okay, so Lisa wanted 2 piles. She first counted some flowers into a pile of 10. So if it says she had a pile of 10, how many flowers does she have in one pile? She will have 10 flowers in one pile. Please count with me over here, and we are going to make a pile of 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these are not in the pile of 10. Let's go ahead and count again how many flowers we have in this pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, guys. Okay, now it says she counted 5 other flowers into another pile. So what do we need to do next? Good, we need to count 5 other flowers into another pile. So these are my extra flowers. Let's go ahead and count until we get to 5 flowers in my second pile. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have pile number 1 right here with 10 flowers, and I have pile number 2 right here with how many flowers? With 5 flowers. So what I would like you to do in a new page in your composition book, I would like you to draw this. I would like you to draw Lisa, and I would like you to draw Lisa's pile of 10 flowers and Lisa's pile of 5 flowers. Take a few minutes. You can pause this video and complete that activity, and then we'll keep going. All right, great job, guys. So remind me, we have 2 piles here. How many flowers are in pile number 1 right here? 10. Great job. And how many flowers are in our second pile? 5. Great job. Okay, guys. So what we are focusing on is counting objects in our teams, counting objects to 20. So that means we are going to focus on decomposing teen numbers to figure out how it's broken down when we count our numbers, count objects to 20. I'll explain more about what this means. Okay, so I have a certain number of triangles here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to count this first group of triangles until we get to 10. We are going to put smiley faces down as we count to show our group of 10. So please go ahead with me and count as we count these objects. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 triangles here. I'm going to make sure I put a smiley face as we count up to 10. So remember yesterday, when we have all of our 10, we say we have 10 ones because each triangle is called a 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Remind me again, what is each triangle called? A 1. So if we have 10, how many ones do we have? 10 ones. Repeat that with me. 10 ones. One more time. 10 ones. So I have 10 objects. So that means I have 10 ones. Okay, now I have some extra over here. How many extra do I have over here? If you know how many extra I have over here, please shout out that number. 4. Let's go ahead and count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, these are all called ones. 1 triangle, 1, 1, 1. So how many ones do I have over here? 4. Great job, guys. Now what I want us to do all together is count up how many triangles we have all together. Because we have a number of triangles that is in our teens. So please go ahead with me and count how many triangles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 triangles. I am going to write that number. So we see the largest number, we have 14. So that means 14 can be broken up into 10 ones and 4 ones. This is how we can decompose the number 14 with 10 and 4. Great job, guys. Let's go ahead and go down to another practice problem. All right, I have another shape here. Please remind me what shape I have here. What is this shape called? Great job, a hexagon. And how many sides does a hexagon have? Just a little review. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Great job. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here. We are going to count our hexagons until we get to 10 and put our smiley faces down we want, and then figure out the extra we have here. So go ahead and count with me the number of hexagons we have in our first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.